السلام عليكم. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد. Today we are going to read an English story from Good Night Stories from the Holy Quran. So let's start. Today's Good Night Story from the Holy Quran is Companions of the Cave. So let's start. This is our final English story from this book. Many centuries ago, there was an emperor who was very cruel. He was an idol worshipper. The people of his empire were forced to believe in many gods and goddesses. In the empire, there were few young men who believed in one true God, Allah. They formed a small group and prayed to Allah for guidance. Allah heard their prayers and strengthened their hearts. One day, these young men went to the bazaar. They stood up on a platform so that all the people in the bazaar could see and hear them. They said, Allah is the true Lord of the heavens and the earth. We shall never call upon any God other than Him, because if we did, He would surely be a lie. Whenever someone talked about Allah in the city, he was killed. When the emperor heard about these young men, he called them. He became very angry and ordered them to return to their old faith, or else they would be killed. The young men ran away. Their dog joined them as well. They took shelter in a cave. They prayed, "O Allah, grant us mercy and help us get out of this trouble." Allah heard their prayers. When they lay down to rest, Allah caused a miracle to happen. The young men slept peacefully in the cave for 309 years. Throughout that long sleep, Allah protected them. When they woke up, they thought they had slept for a few hours. The young men were very hungry. One of them went to the city to buy some food. When he reached the city, he noticed something strange. He didn't know any of the people. He couldn't believe the city had changed so much in just few hours. He went to a shopkeeper. When the young man took out his money, the shopkeeper looked at it very carefully. He asked, "Where did you get this from?" The young man said, "I saved it from my earnings." The shopkeeper said, "This money has been out of date for 300 years. The young man realized that he and his companions had been asleep for many years. The cruel emperor had died during their sleep. The city was now ruled by a generous emperor. The young man understood that Allah had saved them. They thanked Allah, and the incident is proof of Allah's great power. This is the end of our story. We shall start a new storybook in our next video. Thank you. If you enjoyed my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Bye.